Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video. I pretty much decided to take last year as a year of experimenting with my hair. So today, now that I kind of know what I'm doing with my hair and what products to avoid and use, I feel a lot more better like sharing with you guys my journey. So I have gotten a fresh, my hair grew out, so I've got a fresh cut. As you can see, my hair's a lot more thicker and healthier than it ever was before. I recently only just got it cut, so all the edges are just pretty much coming back, but I don't really mind because the main part is the fact that my hair is nice and it's actually thick and healthy. So I'm gonna do my hair, so I thought I'd run through some products I've been using. And so what I do is I've been loving rosemary water. So if you guys have not been trying that, I will do a video on how I make my rosemary water. That has really helped. I saw a video on TikTok and I was like, all right, another thing I'm gonna try. So I know it's definitely worked, so that's what I try and use. Next thing that I've been loving is just some mint. I don't know why, but the mint really just gives a bit of tickle to the hair. I just get a few drops just to rub on my edges, and that has really helped my hair grow. Again, I'll go into more details with all individual product and as I go in my next videos. So yeah, the next thing, so this is something else that I've been really loving. It's just a great leave-in conditioner. It's got like 10. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner or you can use it as a shampoo, and it keeps your hair really moist, which is really good. And occasionally if I feel like and of course you can't forget the hair fertilizer to again give it that extra boost, because we're trying to keep our hair nice and healthy. So I just get a bit and I just try and rub all that in. And I put, my hair's actually soft because I put a bit of texturizer in it, just because it was so thick and really even sore to brush. So the texturizer really helps with getting it obviously nice and soft. So yeah, so I then go in with my little small brush. As you can see, it's not even shedding that much. There's obviously a little bit, but that's compared to before, that's nothing. Obviously, honestly guys, my hair was falling out in chunks before. It was just, I was so sad just because it just kept falling out, and it was just, yeah, absolutely hated it. So then once I've done that, I then like to kind of part my hair. I always do it on my left hand side, just because, I don't know, I guess that's what I've always done. And so I'm just gonna add in, I'm just gonna add in a little bit more water because I just don't feel like it's damp enough. A bit more. And then once I've pretty much parted and I know how I want, kind of put the line on where I want it to go, I go in with these guys. This thing is amazing. Again, something else that I've been experimenting on. I'll do a separate videos on how I actually use these. And because my hair is really short, it takes a while to kind of create tiny little curls on the hair. And so this really helps a bit, and this gives it some extra volume as well, if you want your hair to have volume. And that's pretty much how I get my hair. And look at it. And that's how I get my hair, to give it that pretty much. And that's how I've been styling my hair. And it's really simple and like really easy to do in the morning. It takes me maybe like altogether maybe like 10 minutes to like get my hair done, sometimes even like 5 minutes. This doesn't take too long, and because these got two different sides, it just depends on obviously what you want, how, whether if you want like smaller curls you use this side, but if you want something a bit more fluffy like what I have today, then I use that, because my hair is like a little bit more shorter at the moment, and I use the hair texturizer. I feel like I don't want to be rubbing it too much, especially with this side, so I stick to these to just give it that extra volume. And yeah, so that is pretty much how I style my hair at the moment. In my next video, I'll try and like show you guys exactly how I deep condition my hair, and go into more depth on how I style my hair using this. But for now, guys, this is pretty much all the products and what has been happening with my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any other videos that you guys want me to try, please leave me a comment down below and I'll do my best to try and get it out for you guys. Thank you. Bye.